Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. We travel a lot in our family, and I needed a travel blanket for when I get chilly in the car. I have discovered this BlueHills Ultra Compact Travel Blanket pillow, and I love so much everything about it. I love this clip that I can attach to my backpack so I don't have to put it inside my bag taking up space. But it also has this great handle that will fit right over the pull handle of your luggage if you're using luggage, say you're going on a plane or something, and then you don't have to carry it or make space in your bag. It has a super nice fleecy feel, and I love how soft it is. It's also a really great size. I'm 5'3", so here it is compared to me. It's really big. It can more than cover me. And this is compared to my 6-foot husband, so it's a really great size. Another thing I really love is how easy it is to fold up. I am terrible at folding things and getting them back into the bag they came from, but this is so easy. They make the bag big enough so there's actually a little bit of extra space, so if you're folding it wrong, it's still gonna fit. I love how small it folds up and how compact this is. This is my son holding it. He loves playing with the buckles on it. And it's nice and thin, but it's warm enough so that it keeps me warm in the car, but not too warm. It is the perfect blanket. I love it so much. If you're looking for the perfect travel blanket that is not only lightweight, but super soft and fuzzy, this is the one for you. But that's just my point of view.